Hey everyone, this is Case with another unboxing, and this time we're unboxing the Fire HD 8 from Amazon. Got this on a special deal for about $50. So without further ado, let's see what this hype is all about. So this is an 8-inch display, full HD with support for micro SD card. It has a quad-core processor, 2 cameras, enhanced audio experience, and Wi-Fi, of course. As you can see, this is the red model, and that's about it for the packaging. Oh, this is a 16 GB version with special offers. So let's see what's inside the box. Of course, you have to peel it off from here. There we go. Alright, let's see what we have here. So that's it, nothing else in the box. We'll put that aside for now. What do we have here? So here is the charging cable, the USB adapter, nothing else here. Instruction manual, how to set it up, and how to start it, what the buttons are, etc. Alright, we don't want any of that for now. We'll put it aside. Same thing goes for these two. Put them aside for now, and let's take a look at the device itself. Alright, hello. This is the Kindle Fire HD 8 with all its glory. Let's see again. Before we turn it on, let's compare it to the 7-inch model. So this is an 8-inch display, and this is the 7-inch display, and you can see the difference between the two. Sorry about the glare here, but let's turn it on and see what we have. Alright, it's up and running right now. As you can see, if we try to compare just the displays right now, I don't know if you can tell, but you can compare size wise, but also I can tell that there is a difference in picture quality between the two. So you have the full HD for the 8-inch, and I think that's less than HD. I'm not exactly sure of how many pixels this one has. But let's try to get it set up. Alright. Updating. Still in the updates. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the body itself. So this is the camera. Here are the buttons. So this is the power button. This is the USB charging audio port, volume up and down. At the bottom we don't have anything. From the side we have 2 speakers here, and from the other side we have the micro SD card slot here. The cool thing about these devices, like, you can just buy the micro SD and just increment that. It asking me to register for the Amazon. I don't know if I can skip this for now. Let's check it out. Alright, so I managed to get the device logged in by creating a new account, because I didn't want to use my account for this one for now. It's asking if I want to get friendly. I don't want any of that for now, and just a sec. Now it's asking me to download a bunch of apps. So yeah, sure, Netflix, maybe Instagram, Pinterest, Candy Crush. That's it. Download. that's it. So the device is ready to be used right now. It's giving me an introduction on how to use it and what each of the screens are. You can swipe between the pages or swipe the other way. I'm just gonna exit out of this for now.
Alexa is on your tablet. You can use your voice to open apps. Ask questions.
Nice.
Play.
I'm gonna disable Alexa for now because I don't want to disable Alexa. Alright, that was it. Let's try to do a quick comparison between the two models. So this is the 5th generation 7-inch, and this is the latest one, 8-inch display. So scrolling, if we scroll, you can notice like how smooth this is compared to the older model. See, sometimes it doesn't even work. Alright, so put that aside. That was a quick unboxing and short review of the Kindle Fire 8-inch HD. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Till next time.